As an awakened spirit, trying to find your way back to the light, your number one task is to help bring as many people as possible closer to God. Your number one task is to help people find their way to God. That means that you yourself have to be on a path to God in order for people to now follow you. It's not necessarily that you have to start preaching to people, start talking to them, come and change your lifestyle. It's not even about that. In fact, the best way to help people see how they can live a life that is pleasing to God is by you yourself living that kind of life, for you to be able to fulfill that your task of helping people come closer to the light. You have to make sure that you are living your life in a way that just by observing you, people realize that there is a way this person behaves. Something about you will strike them and encourage them to make a change in their own life. Let me give you an example. I have this friend that I always refer to as like she's sunshine in human form. And that's just because of how radiant she is with her life. Like, she's always ready to be there for another person. You can almost always count on her. Her aura is just radiant. She's always there to help. She's always there to listen. She's just sunshine in human form. I was talking to someone the other day, and I noticed something about her, like how unassuming, how easy it is for her to admit her mistakes, how easily she will just start laughing at herself. Like, when she does something that is wrong and you mention it to her, how she will unassumingly just be like, my dear, sorry, I didn't even know what I was, sorry, oh, hey, and immediately you see the eagerness in her to make a change. It struck me. I had to call her attention to it and let her know that I've noticed this about you, and I think it's very, very good. Keep it up. And one thing about this kind of people is, once you are around them, you just start feeling the need to make a change in your own life. That is our mandate as awakened spirits, to live a life that other people who are striving towards the light can emulate. Let our lives be like a shining light, a torch for people who want to come closer to God to copy.